Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Zero to Coder channel. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting game I've created called Jungle Adventure. I made it with only HTML,CSS and JavaScript. In this game, you control a character who runs, jumps, and dodges dangerous fire obstacles. Your goal is to keep running and reach the end while collecting points. Let's move on to the game. The Enter key starts running, and the Space key jumps up. To win this game, you must jump up and run to escape the flames. Even if the sprite falls into the fire, the game is over. When the game is over, we can see the number of points we have accumulated. If we want to play again, the Try Again button will also appear. Then you can press it again to start the game. Now let's see what happens when you win. At the end, you win. If you want, you can also level up this game. Now let's look at the source code of this game. I've worked hard on this project, and I hope you enjoy playing it. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the game, and subscribe for more fun coding tutorials and games.